Understanding the phrase, hot commodity, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, hot commodity. This expression is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, hot commodity, refers to something that is in high demand and is considered very valuable or popular at a given time. It's often used to describe products, services, or even people who are sought after by many. The word, hot, in this context symbolizes being in demand, or sought after, while commodity refers to a valuable item or resource. The origin of hot commodity lies in economic terminology. A commodity is a basic good used in commerce that is interchangeable with other goods of the same type. When a commodity becomes hot, it means there is a surge in its demand. This phrase has been adapted into everyday English to describe anything that's become suddenly popular or highly sought after. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Smartphones are a hot commodity. Everyone seems to want the latest model. 2. After winning the championship, the player became a hot commodity in the sports world. 3. In the world of fashion, vintage clothing has become a hot commodity. These examples show how hot commodity can be used in various contexts to indicate something that is trending or highly desired. When you use hot commodity in your conversations, it can add a flair of sophistication. You can use it to describe a trend, a popular person, or even a sought-after skill in the job market. For instance, coding skills are a hot commodity in today's job market. And that's all about the phrase, hot commodity. It's a useful and colorful expression that can add depth to your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about understanding the culture and context behind them. I hope this video helps you grasp and use hot commodity confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!